recording? Now it's recording. What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be working on the race car. We're going to be cleaning out the trunk area. There's a bunch of rust that had built up on it, and I just need to clean it up, put some rust reform on it, and then paint it. So that's kind of all we're going to do today. I'll show what I did in the engine bay area. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see that I fixed the clutch reservoir bracket. It was kind of tilted at an angle, and so I went ahead, cut it so it could be level. I also replaced the slave cylinder because the other day I went to go move it and I had no clutch. So sure enough, the original slave that I had on it went out. Luckily I had an extra one laying around, swapped it out, bled it, and I got clutch now. So let's go check it out real quick. So I got my vacuum, my wire wheel, extension cord. So I don't know. So all that, I gotta clean up all this. I'm not sure what that white stuff is, but yeah, I'm gonna clean it up. Let's get to it.
To breathe. Sometimes I need you to stay away from me. Sometimes I'm in disbelief, I didn't know. Somehow I need you to go. Don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. What you were changing me into, just giving myself back and don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. Take all your faithlessness with you. Just give me myself back and don't stay. Sometimes I feel like I trusted you too well. Sometimes I just feel like screaming at myself. Sometimes I'm in disbelief, I didn't know. Somehow I need to be alone. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. What you were changing me into, just giving myself back and don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. Take all your faithlessness with you. Just giving myself back and don't stay. I don't need you anymore. I don't want to be ignored. I don't need one more day of you wasting me away. I don't need you anymore. I don't want to be ignored. I don't need one more day of you wasting me away. With no apology, don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. What you were changing me into, just giving myself back and don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. Take all your faithlessness with you. Just giving myself back and don't stay. Don't stay. Don't stay.
Recording? Yeah, it is recording. Alright, so before I paint, I'll show you what I did to the engine bay real quick. Let me pick this stuff up. So, yeah, so new clutch slave cylinder. I don't know. I didn't bother looking at it, but it looks kind of cocked. I mean, it sits flush with the thing, but I don't know. Threw the other one away. And then there's the bracket. I don't know if you can laugh at my shoddy welds there. But now it's, before it was like tilted down, wasn't level, and now it's level. It's sturdy. I mean, it's just a bracket to hold a plastic thing in. But anyways, let's finish the trunk. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it. I did whatever rust I wanted to do. I think I need to do behind the battery. I'm just too lazy to take the battery out right now. It's kind of hot. But, so I did, it's like a sprayable rust reformer. I don't know, you can't really tell. Like I said, I gotta do over here and take care of all that surface rust there. But that's pretty much it. I didn't want to take off all of the sound deadening. Because like I said, I wanted to get only the rust. But hopefully that'll stop it from going. I got some rust spots over there and over there. It was all just surface rust. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and all the other good stuff. Peace.